Welcome to the Jamaican Display family, and I hope you all are having a wonderful and blessed afternoon, a peaceful and happy one. Some of the stories that will be mentioned in this video: robbers caught in Priory St. Anne after it is alleged that they were trying to rob a MoneyGram, a baby mother blind her man, her baby father. Also coming up, we are seeking your help in locating these missing persons. So that and more, but in order for you to get these news items on a daily basis, you need to join the JDF, the Jamaican Display family. And by doing so, if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, like up the video for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe. We're going to start off with some missing persons. 14-year-old Carla Richardson of Faith Avenue in Duanville, Trelawney has been missing since Friday, April 9. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Carla Richardson is being asked to contact the Clarkstown Police at 876-954-1080, 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station in your vicinity. Also, 21-year-old Shakira Gale, otherwise called Ashley, of Roseites District in St. James, has been missing since Saturday, March 27. She is of dark complexion, slim built, and is about 157 centimeters, 5 feet 2 inches tall. And reports from the Springmount police are that Gale was last seen at home about 10 a.m. wearing a blue dress, and she has not been heard from since. All efforts to locate her have proven futile, so anyone knowing the whereabouts of Shakira Gale is being asked to contact the Springmount Police at 876-617-9789, police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station in your vicinity. Blessings. Now, as we move over to St. Anne, a robber was caught on the north coast after it is alleged that they tried to rob a MoneyGram in Priory St. Anne. One was held and taken in by the police, while another is still at large. He escaped, and I'm not sure if it was on foot or he sped off in a vehicle. And 90% of the times, the one with the firearm is always the absconder. However, the one that got clink, more than likely, they will be talking who his accomplice was, and from there, that matter will be solved when the JCF activates their antenna and start to browse the place. Here's a short clip. Be attentive. So there you have it, and basically he will have to start talking who his friend was, you understand me, etc. So most likely that matter will be solved as soon as possible. Now I have another incident that I would like to share, where a young man kept on cheating on his partner, and like they always say, every day the bucket goes to the well, one day the bottom of that bucket is going to fall out. It is going to fail you along the journey. Overall, the monkey trick didn't work for him because he kept on climbing and got exposed. Two can play that game, and sometimes the loser gets angry. So during their dolly house, Mama surprised Papa. His baby mother showed up at his mate's residence, or their place of comfort, as in the place where them normally meet up, and she poured some form of liquid substance on him, and it is alleged that he is somewhat disfigured. He also lost his sight, during the process, during the atrocious restructuring that she puts him through, that he underwent. So listen carefully, be attentive, and then leave a comment and make your opinion counts down in the comment section. The comment section is yours, and remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activities on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like up the video, like always, for YouTube, algorithm, blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe.
All river tande pan my name. The whole river tande pan my name. I'm been telling them to listen. If you want that girl, go on here. Come been telling them to listen. Them girl in a class, girl, them girl here all kind of disease and shit, and then you carry come give me. Him take Jesus off of the cross. Same as the girl now, the last week him come in and give me $1 for the baby. Me had my back clip out to the chair for last week. Him come in. Him a got a party Monday. I'm saying, Ryan, where you get money got a party? Tomorrow, him walk down about him business. So where you go? The next day him come party. I love him. Hello?
Yeah, I hear you.
Since evening him come, him say him a got one party. So I say I got a party. How much money you left in the house? Him say 6. I'm say around 6 grand. Remember say you not give me the money last week, you know. So that means say your pay supposed to look a bit more. So you must get him more because I have to go to market and something. They say if not food, not cook Miss Murray. Him not give me the money last week. If me not cook, him beg till him want boss. I come and I say Ryan come here and argue. I walk along the road and here and I say the ears of the girl say she got disgrace you. See her class them and the black kickers where she give you. Why you love sweet so? You know I'm going, Agisha, I'm going. One yam me down, Mr. Alright, friend, I'll get to you alpha. Hey, a big pussy friend of my cock, I got my name. Mr. Banaka, down the road me go, and here's somebody else say, Nikki, the girl say I got disgrace, you be able to father. I talk to him before him come out and say, what party you go? I say, you got a girl, yeah, boy, you got a party, so one three doesn't put on my clothes on her. Him and I me lock in a party, so I'm going to feed with him.
Where you throwing them eye?
A toilet bowl cleaner. Right, make me feel like me I got mad Miss Maureen. No matter how I say my reason, I say Ryan just tell me the truth and make me work out the truth. It make me feel like me I got crazy. It might nobody in the lane of I'm paranoid. It might say people in the lane not tell me nothing because them know me a mad man, them not tell me nothing. Every time I go down the road, somebody can say, Nikki this time, Nikki man this time, Nikki this time. I say, Ryan, I do not like it. Leave out the girl. I say, don't want to leave her. Go on and feed you to her.
Nikki.
One, yes?
So why am I bleeding?
What do you say?
Why am I bleeding?
Now, treat my one and use my nice and easy, ma. Come here, swing off him and it's nice catch him. Me have to go over them, I swear. You see me? Me my aunt no good. I'm never gonna make him make my aunt kill me in my bed. I'm sorry. Me no want to lie down in my bed and beg till me boss. So me really have to put on my clothes and walk to feed my 2 eye them. Can go like him set me for eat them. Say don't nobody hear me tell some my breed out of school. Me never sing on me. I'm a baby July and go back in school September. My mom never sit down let me sing with my baby. I have to go so I can read and write well. So stop make me feel like me I'm mad. Me have a phone and show him everything in my phone. Me show him everything. If me time strong him want yam me in my house. My arm say Ryan, if you do not happy, go on go live your life. Go on, go live your life, Ryan.
I'm blind, you know.
Him what?
I'm blind.
Sorry. But me never gonna make him like me, I'm sorry.
You're sorry. So then you walk from Robertson and go on community security?
My prayer. So you're ignorant to do anything, yeah? Cause someone, you're woman cost over something, and someone that said, so, me never know about to walk over him, so him bearing and dry and does not care. So I say, me shoot him something, so I put on my clothes and leave out behind him.
Nowadays, if some man and the man have born you, you're born by the man.
No, that not in me, that me a try from go on, brother. Me around there for years and me never take a man for Ryan yet. And Ryan, me tell Ryan now give me nothing. Me's just a person who forget my money. I'm always have my little thing going. Either I'm a partner or I'm ask them or something. So I'm not really stress him about nothing. I just love make him live him life. I say if he is not happy, go. Go. I don't know what else I can do. Go and go live your life, brother. Me is not happy for you. I go out and I come in and I go out and I come in and I go out and I come in. What is this all about? What them saying them out, Mr. Ryan? Go on.
So that cat is
Go on. What you say?
So that cat is blind him?
I never, I just show the stuff. Hello, I see me go over that time. When I look on, I say this girl and I have a close to my whole lamp and I just whole lamp and him, you know.
Get somebody else and burn up.
Them lucky because well, them a whole lamp and them never stab up one of them too. So them a come whole lamp and them don't know when me I got show. So anybody want to talk. Ask your son. Mr. Ryan lies until Mr. She not even know me more. Some lie with that boy they tell me I'm telling to stop tell me lie, just tell me truth, me work better with the truth. Me is a very open-minded person. Me say tell me the truth and stop tell me lie, make me feel like I'm paranoid.
Nikki,
You never feel like I'm paranoid, Miss Maureen.
but if I tell about cleaner, he wanna do him so that look at
You see a toilet cleaner. Toilet bowl cleaner.
That's not toilet bowl cleaner, Nikki.
Don't tell me when they use Miss Maureen, it's not acid. Where me get acid from? A toilet bowl cleaner is not acid.
Then why you choose to go off and face? Why you choose to go off and face?
Feel them taller than my shape on him belly. He must come off and me some splash it.
But you could, when you flash it, you could catch you see it and him alone, you know, there's a girl and did it, when it choke and it jump and it goes, it's supposed to see how it did the ground. That is not toilet bowl cleaner.
They say a toilet bowl cleaner. See, that's what my blows there. It catch my blows, you know, I never burn out my blows and I have green army blows my Avan. Me I tell say toilet bowl cleaner.
Aye. One of the can imagine him aye. Nikki, may I tell you? When him down there at Butterfield Eye Hospital and him blind, him can't see out that blind. Him blind down there. Come here, keep in touch down there, him blind down there. The doctor them a word for him and him blind down there. 5 him have 5. Blind down that's a loving father.
You see things about Amaki here, where I get 5 pitney from?
That's our loving pitney. That's our loving father. That's our loving father.
Where I get 5 kids from? Now the twin them and Jazzy.
That's our loving father.
That will be 4. So where next one come from? She say I have 5 kids.
That's not about the kidney. 5 kidney, they might have living.